Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope every one of you are doing well. Today I'll take you to Solang Valley, the Valley of Snow. When you are in Manali, Solang Valley is a must visit. Solang Valley is about 13 kilometers away from Manali town. It lies between the base Kund and Solang village. On the way, you will get a number of shops to book activities, guide, quad bike and hired garments. जब आप बर्फ के बीच जाएंगे, बर्फ के साथ खेलने का मन तो ज़रूर करेगा, इसलिए हायर्ड गारमेंट्स लेने से आपके कपड़े गंदे नहीं होंगे। हमने एक 5000 का पैकेज लिया, जिसमें दोनों के लिए हायर्ड गारमेंट्स, क्वाड बाइक, स्कीइंग और गाइड इंक्लूडेड था। आप अपने हिसाब से पैकेज बुक कर सकते हैं, जिसमें पैराग्लाइडिंग, जिप लाइनिंग और जॉर्बिंग के साथ कई सारे एक्टिविटीज होते हैं। यू कांट स्टॉप योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम फॉलिंग इन लव विद दिस स्टनिंग सीनिक ब्यूटी। बर्फीली वादियों के जितने पास जा रहे थे, उतनी ही एक्साइटमेंट बढ़ रही थी। बर्फ से थका हुआ पहाड़ देखकर ऐसा लगा मानो कोई फोटो देख रही हो। Just before reaching the point, we had our breakfast, and this is the view from the window of the restaurant. It took my breath away. Yes, we were very much excited to play with the snow, but I must say, the journey was no less beautiful than the destination. Finally, we reached the point and got into our quad bike. So here we go. Since we visited during the month of March and snow was retreating, so from this point we had to move a little uphill to experience the snow. During winter, all this area gets snow covered. To reach the point, you will get hired horses too, but we had already experienced the horse ride in Shimla, so we chose the quad bike. In the beginning, I was quite skeptical about the journey in the quad bike, as the road was quite steep and rocky, but we faced no problem and reached safely. After traveling for about 15 minutes, we got down from our bike and then we had to walk for another 5 minutes. Finally, it was all snow around. Along with the hired garments, they will provide you with boots, which are of great help as it was too slippery to walk. I tried skiing for the first time and it was hell lot of an experience. Our guide was just holding me, otherwise I just would have slipped. There is nothing to worry because there are so many people around to help. This skiing activity was included in our package. There is no time limit for skiing, so you can do it as many times you want. Everyone around was enjoying and it was so much fun. He just slipped down. No, nothing to worry. So here you can see a temple here. There you can see a sibling, but as it is the month of March, it has started melting. दिल तो अभी भी बच्चा है जी। ऐसा लग रहा था मानो कोई सपना देख रही हो। Honestly saying, I just can't explain those feelings in any words. Don't forget to include this place in your travel checklist. And I would recommend you to visit this place during the month of November to February to experience maximum snow. मन तो कह रहा था कि वक्त ठहर जाए, काश ऐसा हो सकता था। और यहाँ पे जनाब ने तो बर्फ से दिल ही बना दिया। करीब 4 घंटे के बाद इन खूबसूरत वादियों को अलविदा कहते हुए और दिल में यादें समेटते हुए हम निकल पड़े हमारे अगली मंजिल की तरफ। On our way back, we visited the Vasisht temple, and in my next video, I'll give you a tour of the temple. Please feel free to drop any queries in the comment section. तब तक के लिए अलविदा।